Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unknown network error. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open settings, and then you need to go into the app management and click on app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram and clear cache and storage, and after that you need to go back and open Play Store and search for any VPN. So after that you log in your Instagram account. So here you can see that my account is working properly, but if your account is not working, you simply need to open Play Store and download any VPN. And once you download any VPN, you need to run VPN on your smartphone and try to log in again in your Instagram, and that Instagram account will work properly. I hope by following these steps you can easily fix network error on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.